Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Math Mood. Yes, it's been a while because I've been busy with school, but I'm going to try posting more regularly starting now. Hopefully I can keep that promise, guys, but yeah, let's get right into the video. So today we're going to be doing another geometry problem, but this time it's a triangle problem, and we're going to be doing number 36 of a calculator section. I can link down below which practice test this is from, because I don't remember from the top of my head. But let's get started. So first, let's read the problem. So they give us a triangle. In the figure above, tan of B equals 3/4. If BC equals 15 and DA equals 4, what is the length of segment DE? So as you can see, they partition the triangle into two triangles. So we know that from one of the theories we have from geometry, that if you split a triangle into two and you have a ratio for a trigonometric ratio for one of the angles that both of the triangles share, we know that those two triangles are similar. So because these two triangles, and if you don't know what I'm talking about triangle BDE and BAC. So those two triangles are similar. And that's because basically, like, similar triangles have two sides that have the same ratios. So if tan of B, there's two tans of B. This opposite over adjacent and this opposite over this whole adjacent, and yeah, both of those ratios are 3/4, so we can conclude that they are similar triangles. Sorry for that huge explanation. I just want to make sure I'm explaining it correctly. So now into the actual problem. So the first thing you should do is label everything you have in the problem really quickly. I'm obviously doing this really slow, but on the SAT you should work a little faster than I am. But I'm just explaining it. So BC is 15. And then DA, the smaller part, is 4. So right now this part is not helpful for us because it doesn't give us the length of a whole side. And now it's asking us for the length of DE. So the first thing you should notice is that we have the tan of B equals 3/4, which is like crucial information for this question. So tan is the same thing, I'm just gonna write it down here. Tan is the same thing as opposite side over the adjacent side. So now we can put our ratio into play. So basically, we can write our ratio here. So we have 3 and 4. And then I'm just gonna redraw that top triangle onto the side here. So that's BDE, and that's a right triangle. So we have side, I mean, it doesn't really matter, but 3, 4, 5. So yeah, that's our ratio. We know it's 5 because of the Pythagorean theorem, or you can also memorize the 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triple. So since we know that they're similar triangles, we know that they have the same ratios. So if this is 5 and this is 15, we know we can write down, let me just write down 3, 4, and 5. So we know we have 15. So to get from 5 to 15, you multiply by 3. So our ratio between the both triangles are 3:1. So we have to multiply each side by 3. So 12, 4 times 3 is 12, 3 times 3 is 9. So now we know that, I'm just going to erase this part here. So, and I'm also going to erase this because I'm kind of running out of space there. So this whole thing is 9. This whole thing is 12 because we found the ratio of our bigger triangle because we are multiplying by 3. So our bigger triangle have sides of 9, 12, and 15. So now that we know that, excuse me, so we know that DA is 4. I'm just going to label that again. So now we know that, hold on. Oh, sorry guys. I have to switch these two sides. The smaller one is 3 and the bigger one is 4. Sorry about that, guys. So this one, so we're gonna have to switch 9 and 12. So this one, I was like, wait a second, I did something wrong. Anyways, so now since we know 2, like this whole thing, and then 4, we can subtract 4 from 12 and get that BD is 8. So now we know one of the sides of our triangle, our smaller triangle with a 3, 4, 5. So now we're finding the side lengths of the smaller triangle. So since we know that we have a 3, 4, 5 ratio, we know that this one has to be 5. So now we have to write down, I'm just going to write it down here. So we have our side length 4 to 8. So then we know our ratio is 2 to 1 for the smaller triangle. So smaller triangle as in triangle BDE. So if we're going, so as I said before, we're going from 4 to 8. So then we're multiplying by 2. So then if we want to go from 3 to DE, now, so to go from 3 to DE, we have to multiply by 2. So the DE would be 6. So since we're finding the length of DE, we don't even have to find the length of BE, and our answer would have to be 6. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that was helpful, and let me know what other types of problems you guys want down below. Let me know if my explanations are getting better or if I need improvement. Don't worry, I take constructive criticism. Yeah, and let me know if you want me to like transfer this to another paper and write in pen. I'm just scared to write in pen because like in case I mess up, so let me know if you want me to do that. Yeah, please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Nice to be back.